just arrived at Big A's, everyone.
Rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show, and all the ways I got to know your pretty face and electric soul.
Kasya na ba ang bawang ano? Yeah. Dalawang ano na siya? Dalawang sulo ba yun? May pagbabawakan pa ba? Sinigang? Ay, titong para mo ng manok mo. Ito muna! Ito muna rin, tsaka yun. Paano ka itong wait? Welcome to our competition of Miss Game San Juan 2025. And now, let us have the production number and their introduction. And now, what game we have our part to welcome dancing and rapture ladies on the line with the candidate number 1, Miss Rivers Sumatad. Miss Rivers Sumatad is a sex worker from Manila, and she will be in the same class. Sex work is work. Again, Miss Rivers Sumatad. And now, first on stage, we have Miss Rachel Studio. A.K.A. Raisa. Hey, Raisa. Hey, Raisa. And now, let us have a big round of applause. Big. Our third candidate, we have Miss Alan K. Our fourth candidate, we have the member of X Squad, Lassie. And now, ang pambansang player, someone from Batangas, with the complete team, we have Shopa Demesta. Again, our ladies competing in our Miss Game 2025 San Juan competition. Again, let us witness their graceful pastoralas. On stage, we have our candidates, and let us have our casual interview. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here our first candidate, Miss Rivers Sumatad. Miss Rivers, inapproachable sex worker. Siguro ang first time is 30 years old. Okay, na 7 years old ako pakpok at wala ba ako pakpok ngayon? At ano lang masasabi mo sa mga nangangarap na maging pokpok din? Dahil kung ayaw naman natulong sa init, magkalimutan tayo. Again, our candidate number 1 is Rivers Sumatad. And now we have Lassie! Lassie, ito naman naman mo sa'yo. Gano'n mo kayaman ang isang Lassie? Bakit hindi mo ito? Kaya ba siya pala? Actually. Tama, pinaturay, and number 2, Lassie. And now we have Joel Tremesa. Joel, nabalitaan mo binigyan ni Ronnie ng parang company na Pustiso. Bakit pinagpin mo ng iPhone? Para ano, sa telegram, di ba yung problema sa iPhone? Again, candidate number 3. And now, we will discuss our next candidate. She's our guest candidate from Indonesia. Let's go, Tata! Let's have the lady right the lady boy. Kamusta naman, Raisa? Pinag-transfer kay Nakakalaki mo na. Ngayon, happy 6 months of training, I think, let's make you at
Yo, Bob!
Mamulutan ka, tara. Pati, naluluto ka. Hindi. Ayoko na.
Oh, hindi ko ito isasama sa vlog pagta-trike mo. Tanga ka ba?
Shoot girl na lang. Ulit. Kala na ano, jopa eh. Huwag mo ka ba? Uwe. Ay, puta ka naman sa'yo. Asin, putang kong sarap. Kakalaw sa'yo dyan. Bakla net si O.
Go ata, yes, manalo. Ay, nako.
Exclusive. Bar Batangas.
Kahit salt water, pwede mo ba? Pwede, pero ganito lang kababa. Say hi to my vlog, everyone!
Ang banas! Wala din ako picture.
What's up guys? Welcome to San Juan! Yes. May ahas! Takayin ha! Charot!
Oo nga!
Jayon, ba't ka dumaan? Gaga ka! Ate, madulas di ata di yan! Grabe, makakuha na kami ng magagandang picture. Look at us.
Ay, puki-puki.
Sobrang taas.
Okay na, duguin pa ako ate.
Over.
Nakalis na sila.
Ay, akin sa upuan. Na maganda sa vlog, ate.